Hello everyone, iOS 26.6 is finally out for our iPhone devices, and in this video I am going to show you what new features we have received in our iOS 26.6 update. However, we have not got any major changes in iOS 26.6, but this update is very important because this is the last major update for iPhone 12 or the older devices. Alright, first let's discuss about the size of the update. This update is actually 8.8 GB in size, depending upon the variant of your iPhone device. My device is iPhone 15 series, and therefore I have got 8.8 GB of the update. And now let's talk about what we have got in this update. So the first feature which we have got is the blocked contact feature. If you open settings and go to the phone section, here you will find a new feature, or let's call it a new setting. So you go to your phone section and go to the blocked contact section. Now the setting is that if you block a certain number of accounts, for example 500 or let's say 300, then you will get a notification from your iPhone that you cannot block more contacts. So in order to block more number of contacts, you need to remove some of the blocked contact sections, or you need to empty your contact section so that you can block a new number of contact or a certain number of more contact. So this is the new settings which we have got in iOS 26.6 update. Now if we talk about more such updates which we have got, or more such features which we have got in iOS 26.6, we will find out that there is no more such features that we have received in iOS 26.6. For example, no new wallpapers, no new settings, no new liquid glass display settings, no UI features. But something is there which is very important in this update, and that is this is the major update for iPhone 12 or older devices, because in this month of June we are going to see WWDC event in which iOS 27 will be launched. Now iOS 27 is the future of updates for the iPhone 13 or above model, especially for the iPhones with Apple Intelligence features. iPhone 27 will bring new UI features, new Apple Intelligence features, new AI means searchable features, visual intelligence features, and many more things, wallpapers, settings, and many more such updates. But for iPhone 12 or older models, you will not find iOS 27 update because it will not be released for iPhone 12 or older models. So this iOS 26 will be the last major update for such devices. So this was an important update for those devices, because in this update you will find a little bit of bug fixes, animation fixes. I will show you later in this video. But before that, let me tell you what else we have got in this update, or the before updates or the latter updates which we'll get in iOS 26, that is 26.6, 26.6.1 or 26.6.7 and further. So in this update, nothing much more but a certain change in wallpaper which we had got in iOS 26.5, that is the Pride wallpaper or the luminance wallpaper. Let me show you if you want to see those wallpapers. So let's swipe down and swipe left from up, and then we will long press to see the wallpaper. Here we will long tap and then go to the plus section, and here you will see we have got the Pride wallpaper in the last update. Here you can see, and below that you can see iOS 26 wallpapers. Now it will be replaced by iOS 27 wallpapers in the coming update. And now if you look here, one more thing, that iOS 26 update was a major update for liquid glass display, and iOS 27 will take it to the next level. So if you have iPhone 13 or the above models like 13 series, 14 series, 15 series, 16 series or 17 series, now you will get iOS 27, and that will take your UI experience of your iPhone to the next level, very next level, not just next level, very next level. Now if you see this update, I have already updated iOS 26.6 in my this current device, and this will be the last major update as I have said in iOS 26. Now let's wait for iOS 27, and thanks for watching.